Happy birthday, Ligaya. Binabati kita ng happy birthday. Kami lahat ng iyong mga pamangkin at apo. Happy birthday sa iyo.
Happy birthday, Lola Aya. Sana umaba pa po ang buhay nyo. At mag-ingat po kayo sa inyong pinupuntahan araw-araw. Maraming salamat po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Lola Aya.
Happy birthday, Ate Aya. Maraming salamat po sa mabigay po ninyo sa amin at tulong. Sana po ay mababa po inyong buhay. Happy birthday po. Mag-ingat po kayong lahat. I love you po, Ate Aya.
Happy birthday po and God bless. Happy birthday, Tita A. Sana po maging habaan pa po yung buhay nyo at laging malakas ang pangangatawan at maraming salamat din po. And God bless. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Aya. I love you.
Gaya, happy birthday. Sana humaba pa yung buhay at marami pang birthday ang dumating sa iyo. Yan.
Gaya, happy birthday. Sana humaba pa yung buhay at lukas pa ulit yung mga katawan.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Aya. Many more birthdays to come. God bless always. We love you. Happy birthday, Tita Aya. Wishing you all the best. More birthdays to come. We love you.
Happy birthday po, Tita Aya.
Happy birthday po, Ate Aya. Wish po namin sa inyo ay more birthdays to come. Oo, nasagot naman ikaw. Good health and peace of mind. And always be happy.
Bebe, ingat ka po dyan sa
Vienna.
Ingat ka po dyan.
Thank you po sa lahat. God bless po always. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninang Aya. Thank you po sa lahat. We love you.
Gaya, happy birthday po. Sana marami pa pong birthday at dumating sa inyo. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan. Salamat po. Happy birthday po.